Hello guys, so let me give you a quick sit down video because I've purchased 3 skincare recently and I just want to show it to you guys, and possibly I'm gonna be giving a separate review of 1 or 2 of those items, and I just can't wait to use them. So let me just do the unboxing and let's get started. These items are bought from Ulta, so I subscribe to their mailing list, and most of the time I receive like discounts, promos, and whatsoever. So there you go. I got it from Ulta Beauty. Here's the box, and I open it because I'm excited. So I bought 3 items. So first, let's show the freebie. So since I bought item from Kiehl's, then they gave me this small one right here. It's called Super Multi Corrective Soft Cream. I don't know what is this for and when to use this, but I believe it's gonna be for your all over your face. And this is the freebie they gave. Now the actual product that I bought from Kiehl's is this creamy eye treatment with avocado, this one right here. And this is really shocking because this is kind of pricey for a zero point 0.5 fluid ounces. I paid around, if I'm not mistaken, it's like 36 bucks for zero point 0.5 fluid ounces. I've read or I've checked the size, but not thoroughly. I never expect that for 36 I paid for a small, tiny eye cream. So I have here the sample one, and this is the one that I've purchased for 36. Also, we have here sample, I not sample, but I cologne from Jo Malone. This is 50 ml compared to this one right here. It's really tiny, so I feel a bit ripped off, but I purchased it and I'm not returning it. Have I shown it to you? So it says with avocado, so it looks like that. It looks creamy. Well, the second item that I got, or yes, is this one right here. This is the brand Osea. This is their two-piece power duo for firming hydration and full body glow. One is the Undaria Algae Body Oil, which is 150 ml, and the Undaria Algae Body Butter, which is 195 gram or 6.7 ounces. For the price and the items that you get, it's just they're even. Like, it's not a rip off. Is it worth your money? I still don't know about that. I can't answer that because I still have to use them. But for the, like I said, the amount you get and the price, they're like, it's reasonable. That's it. So here you go. The first one is this, the body oil. It looks like this. So where did I found them? I found them in not Facebook Market, Facebook. Like as I was scrolling, there's a lot of commercials, and one of the commercials is this one right here. So that's why I bought it. So, I've purchased this in Ulta because I checked both page or both website, the Ulta and the actual Osea website. Ulta seems like cheaper. This one really looks like different item, It's their advertisement is different than the actual, but there you go. That's the first one. And the second one is this. It's really big and it's heavy. There you go. So this is the second one right here. It's the Undaria Algae Body Butter. So this smells like orange, and it's kind of thick. Anyways, this is not a review video, just showing you what I got, and it looks like that. So it smells like tangerine. Oh, it's really thick. So there you go. You know why the reason why I just felt like buying skincare, because my skin, to be honest with you guys, my skin is flaky. Like it's really dry, and I've used different products. It's just they don't work well. So I hope this one works well, and hopefully by the time I come back, it's gonna be the review of these items that I've purchased. Because you might, I might not, I might like it, and or I might not like it. So that I just want to share with you guys my thoughts and opinions, and hopefully it will help you when it comes to purchasing stuff. So it might work for me or it might not work for you. Also, I might include this controversial, very tiny container worth 36 bucks. So this must be very effective. So there you have it, guys. It's just really quick video, not a lot of purchases. There's one coming, but the item it's still with my friend because she's the one who purchased it. Pick it up and pay her. So see you on my next post, guys, and don't forget to click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe. Until then, I have to go. Bye bye.